Hey, what's up everyone? It's your girl Ktura Kay and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be trying out some new products that I just received. Mainly most of them are from PR. So I got a large package from Beauty Blender and they sent me some very new products. I don't want to say too much because I want to show you all throughout the video and let you know how I feel about the products as well. So I got some things from Beauty Blender as well as Buxom. So I'm going to be using those throughout the video and just letting you all know more about the different products that I'm trying and how I feel about them. So before I get to rambling and get repetitive, we're going to go ahead and get started with the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell to be notified when I post new videos. And we're going to go ahead and get right into it. So let's do it. So I'm going to be trying the new Bounce Foundation by Beauty Blender. It's their Liquid Whip Longwear Foundation. And I'm also going to be trying their Bounce Airbrush Liquid Whip Concealer as well. So I'm going to be using, they actually got a new setting spray also. So I'm going to be using that in the video too. So y'all are going to see me use all of their new products. So we're going to go ahead and get right into the demo. And I'm going to show you all how I completed this look using the new products. So I'm starting off with fresh skin. I actually used the Mercier blurring primer and I added a little bit of Fix Plus and started using a new product and I think it's drying out my skin. So yeah, I think it needed a little bit of hydration and I just used a little bit of Fix Plus just to add a little bit of that. So you pressed, I already squirted a little bit out because I wanted to make sure it was the perfect color. So because they sent a few different colors, so you squirt it like that and the product comes out. And I'm just gonna dab it on here and just dab it on my face. This color to me was a tad bit dark, but I'm going to take the concealer. They have a concealer as well, and I'm going to go over it. And I just swatched this foundation on my skin, and it was like an airbrush finish. So I'm going to just apply. This is about 3 pumps, so let's just see what this does. So the back of the foundation says this weightless buildable whipped liquid can be layered from medium to maximum coverage to address both tone and texture. Never dull or greasy, skin gets that pro artist velveteen finish that looks perfect on screen. It says full coverage, velveteen finish, moisture boosting hyaluronic acid, and it also has antioxidant rich white birch extract. Damp. My beauty blender is damp, so I applied that with a damp beauty blender. So this is in the color 4.15W. It was the lightest color they sent me. So yes, I don't think it looks bad. Honestly, it matches the rest of my body. My face is actually a little bit lighter than the rest of my body. So now I'm going to use this Airbrush Liquid Whip Concealer, and this is in the shade 4.15W. It looked a little bit lighter than the foundation. See that? And it's a nice creamy texture. I'm already loving the finish. And it's very lightweight. I don't feel like it's a lot of makeup on my face. It doesn't feel cakey or anything like that. But this beauty blender applied this flawlessly. I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of my face. I'm just going to do a little contour because they didn't send me a dark enough shade to do a little contour. So I'm going to contour and then set with my La Mercier Honey Translucent Powder. Taking a little bit of Coco Naughty by Fenty Beauty, and I'm just basically going in and setting that contour because I used the Giorgio Armani foundation to contour because it's like a liquid and I just take it. It's so easy to blend in. So I'm just taking that coconut and setting everything with the powder. Add a little mascara. And this is Grandiose by Lancome. Grandiose Extreme, actually. So I'm going to take my NYX Professional Lip Pencil, and this is in the color, what is this? Espresso. All right, so now I'm taking my MAC Studio Fix and just dusting off where I highlighted and, well, set that highlight. So this is their setting spray. This is the Beauty Blender Redo. So it says set and refresh spray. I'm going to add this before I add my lip gloss. Oh gosh, y'all think I broke it. Okay. Okay, it's 2 tops. Okay, ready? Uh-oh. Don't know if I like that sprayer and how it came out, but let's see how it dries. Whew. I'm not trying to put on too much. I think it hit the same spot multiple times, so I'm not trying to be too dewy. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna apply the lip gloss now. This is the Buxom. This came in their new Christmas pack. I will link the Christmas sets because the prices on these are outrageous. They have like a set of, I think it was like 6 or 8, I can't remember. But these little minis, but they're still the same exact plumping lip glosses, and you get a large variety, like everyday colors, perfect for your purse and traveling. So my favorite. I had to go scrub my lips really quick with my Lush scrub because my lips were doing the most. Okay. Alrighty. Let's see how my face looking. It's looking shiny. I think I used too much spray. I used too much spray, y'all. But I'm gonna dab it off a little bit. Yeah. But yeah, it definitely gives off a nice glow. Look at that. Like, look at that glow. Really nice. I like this. Would be cute for like a, if you don't even have on makeup, you could just spray yourself and have that nice natural glow. But I'm liking it though. After it, you know, sets up here, you can see even with my eyelids. Some got on my eyelids, you can see how shiny that is. But I'm gonna take a little bit of shadow, a darker shadow, just to go in my crease to deepen it out. Because I like to do that when I'm on the go, rushing a little bit, just so I don't have to do a full eye look. A little bit of Cocoa Naughty and go into my crease here. So overall, I really think the foundation really did have that nice velveteen finish. It was definitely a medium to full coverage. You can actually build it up if you like. I actually put on maybe about 1.5 layer in certain areas because I have a little mini bump right here, so I kind of wanted to cover that up, so I added a little bit more there. And the concealer is not too runny. It's like a nice, I guess I don't want to say whipped texture, but I guess you can kind of say that because it's like a liquid and a cream, of course, and then it has that nice silky finish to it. So I actually liked it. I can definitely see myself using this concealer and foundation again, and I hope it does not break me out. That's the one thing that I'm concerned about, because the foundation looks flawless and I didn't smell any harsh chemicals, so I'm not really worried. Usually if I smell like any harsh chemicals or any fragrances or anything like that, then baby, I know not to put it on my face because it's probably going to break me out 9 times out of 10. So I did not get that vibe with this. I don't feel like I have any makeup on. Like, I've had that feeling with certain foundations where my face just feels like icky and it just feels like itchy, you know. So I did not get that with this, and I'm so glad. But I definitely have, you know, high hopes. I definitely think it's going to do very well. And the setting spray, that spray has a nice dewy finish. So if you're a dewy girl, I feel like the foundation was more of like a velveteen, like matte type of velvet foundation. It's not really dewy or anything like that, so it's perfect paired with their redo spray, because the redo spray, you know, gives the skin, you know, gives the face a little bit of life and gives you a nice glow. And you can also saturate your beauty blender with it if you want to refresh your makeup and, you know, go in and blend it out if you have any, you know, places where you want to touch it up. So it also can be used for that. So thank you so much, Beauty Blender, for sending these over. I'm super excited to add these to my actual foundation and makeup routine because I'm liking it. I really am liking it. As you can see, I'm really feeling it. At first I was kind of, you know, like, the foundation didn't really match my skin to the T. I needed a tad bit lighter shade, but for the most part I feel like it looks great. You can't even tell. And with the concealer I really wanted one that's a little bit lighter, so I'll probably go and actually purchase this because I actually love the consistency and I loved how it blended really nice, and it set really well as well. So I'll probably get a lighter shade of this so I can actually, you know, get that bright highlight that I like. And yeah, I should be good to go. And I am also loving this Buxom lip gloss. Like, so pretty. The name of this color is actually Belle. So it's a little mini. Like I said, they have the little minis like this, and it comes in a pack just like this. And then it comes with 2 liners as well. So we have some nice nude natural colors in there, and a nice natural pinkish nude, and some with some shimmer. And this one is like a really pretty, kind of like burgundy, kind of like a burgundy color in my opinion. So really pretty, really cute on the lips, and I just love Buxom. They can do no wrong in my book because their lip glosses always have my lips on point. Okay, good to go. So again, thank you, Beauty Blender, and thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell to be notified when I post new videos, and I will definitely keep them coming. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this. Have you tried it? Let me know. And what are your thoughts? So I'm going to link all of these products in the description box below. So if you're interested in purchasing some of these, they will be there. So thanks again for tuning in. So I will see you all in the next video. Bye.